How to make labels on Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the printable labels. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, guys, so here we are. I have already opened one Google Docs file here, blank page. Okay, you need to just manage your margin here. If you don't show this ruler, go to the view and make sure this ruler option is visible, enable, and just change your margin here. Okay, so your label start from here. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to use the add-on. So let me go in add-on, get the add-on, and type here labels, search for labels, and you can use this add-on. I am also using this option add-on to make my labels. Okay, just go to the install and just choose your account, continue, allow the all access. Okay, so it is adding now. Okay, done. Okay, it's installed. Now just refresh your Google Docs here. Now we need to go to extension, and here you can see this label add-on. Go to the create labels, and we need to select the templates. So you can use this one, array A4, use it. Okay, it is insert. Now type the your address. Okay, select the address and come to this align option and make sure it is center. Again select that label, just click within the label. Now go to the format, go to the table, and we need to go in table properties, and we need to go in cell and send vertical alignment. We need to make it middle. Okay, now what you need to do, you can make bold, or you can change the size. Also you can change the color if you want color printer. Okay, you can edit whatever you want. And now after you done everything, just go and click create labels. So now another sheet will be open with your all labels. Open the documents. Yeah, that label file has been done. Now you can simply go to the file, go to the print. You can print your labels. You can save as a PDF if you into your device, or you can directly print from here by selecting your printer. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.